Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the M1 24/7 AI Receptionist app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. M1 24/7 AI Receptionist is an advanced virtual receptionist app designed to handle business communication automatically using AI. It answers calls, schedules appointments, sends messages, and manages customer inquiries, all without human involvement. The goal of the app is to help businesses save time, reduce missed calls, and maintain a professional image every hour of the day. It's available on both iOS and Android and integrates smoothly with CRMs, calendars, and other business tools. The app's main feature is its AI-powered call assistant, which can respond to customers in real time, recognize context, and route calls or messages appropriately. It can also send follow-up messages and record call summaries for review. The system uses natural voice responses, so it feels less robotic and more like a real human receptionist. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its accuracy, ease of setup, and 24/7 availability. Businesses find it particularly useful for after-hours calls or busy schedules when it's hard to manage every incoming message. The ability to customize greetings and automate responses adds a personal touch that helps maintain professionalism. However, there are a few downsides. The app may struggle with understanding complex or emotional customer requests, and some advanced features, like analytics and CRM syncing, are only available in premium plans. It also requires a steady internet connection to operate smoothly. In summary, the M1 24/7 AI Receptionist app may be worth using if you want a smart, automated way to manage calls and improve your business communication. However, if your business needs highly personalized customer interaction, you might still prefer a human receptionist for nuanced conversations. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.